G'day campers, and welcome to our next episode of Just Like Travel and Dining Melbourne Staycation. Today we'll start things off here at the Myer Christmas Windows in Bourke Street in the CBD of Melbourne, as the tram makes its way in behind me, as you can hear that dinging in the background. Let's have a look at the line. That is huge. This week's theme, or this year's theme for the Myer Windows is Legoland. So all the little stories in the windows as you walk along, as you'll see in the photos that we'll attach, tell the story of Christmas in a Lego theme. Today is Sunday the 14th of December here at the Myer Christmas Windows in Bourke Street in Melbourne, and the line is extra long today. We'll do our best to have a look and show you a bit of the windows, but this year's theme is Lego, a playful Lego Christmas story. Here at the Myer Windows in Bourke Street, Melbourne. The line just goes on and on and on. Just simply chaotic scenes here in Bourke Street on Sunday the 14th of December at the Myer Christmas Windows. We have a staycation planned in the CBD again for this next couple of days. So we'll be in Sunday and Monday nights staying at the Victoria Hotel in Little Collins Street. Don't have very high expectations, but we'll see what it's like, and as we always say, enjoy the show. The Victoria Hotel here on Little Collins Street, and the staycation begins here on Little Collins Street at the Victoria Hotel. We'll let you know how we go. It's a beautiful part of the CBD here on Little Collins Street. It's a couple of weeks before Christmas, and we've got a little staycation booked here at the Victoria Hotel. So far, so good. Let's see if we can get into the place. Looks like we're in the West Wing, room 305. Looks like the housekeepers are still busy. 306. 303, room 305. Okay, we rarely do this, but we'll do it live. Here's our room at the Victoria Hotel, room 305. A lot better than what I expected, actually. The full screen TV on the wall, a small little desk with a phone and a chair, a couple of lamps. Down go our bags. And the lamps have got lamps with the USB plugs, good for charging. A little occasional table and a couple of chairs. Bed looks okay. I'm going to jump on it and tell you how it feels. That's actually quite soft, quite pleasurable. As we look outside the window to see what our view is on Little Collins Street. We're actually allocated a courtyard view room, but we asked for a street view onto Little Collins Street. The lady said it might be a little bit noisy, so we'll let you know how that all goes. But after staying in New York and some other big cities around the world, I don't think Sunday and Monday nights in Melbourne are going to be that bad. As we move around to the bathroom, on go the lights, the throne, small sink, some towels, and a freestanding shower. What's a shower? Some toiletries there, soaps, a couple of glasses, and the shampoo in the showers is wall mounted for our use. Our room at Victoria Hotel Inn. Now we've just received our little fruit platter delivered to our room. It's not much, but it's still something for nothing. As we look over to the wardrobe, tea and coffee making facilities, safe, and a small fridge, which is empty except for these two little milks, which is fine for all we need it for. Looking to the other side of the wardrobe, just some hanging space, a couple of extra pillows, and ironing board, and there's our iron on the ground there. That's been a quick review of our room here at the Victoria Hotel. We'll let you know how the 2 nights go at our stay here at the Victoria Hotel here in Melbourne CBD, with our little Collins Street view, 3rd floor. Welcome to our room at the Victoria Hotel. $299 scoop-on deal. This scoop-on deal includes a fully cooked breakfast, 2 nights accommodation. It does exclude Friday and Saturday nights, which is fine. We're here for a Sunday and Monday night for our stay. Doesn't include parking. On-site parking is available at $45 per vehicle. Fully cooked buffet breakfast, couple of complimentary drinks, or a complimentary drink per person per stay. We had a cheese platter that they've already delivered to our room, and a late checkout on departure. Hope you enjoy the show. Sunday afternoon in Collins Street, heading down to Charles Dickens Tavern, one of the hidden gems here in Melbourne. It's a downstairs little bar, hidden, a lot of English and UK beers available on tap. Just waiting for the people to come up the stairs so we can make our way down. It's quite a quaint little place, very unique and very hidden as we make our way down the stairs. A bit of a wobble there, but that's all right. We're all human. Charles Dickens Tavern. Looky, looky, looky. London Pride back on tack at the Charles Dickens. Looking forward to it. A pint and a glass of bubbles for the lady. Behind every good man is a good woman who tastes his beer. Looking forward to this one. Cheers, guys. Just here at Charles Dickens Tavern on a Sunday afternoon, having a lazy pint of London Pride. Charles Dickens Tavern here at 290 Collins Street in the Block Arcade, just down the stairs. Has been around here since the early 90s, serving British food, British beers, and a lot of British sporting events as well on the TVs. It's a good, quaint little place. We've been here once or twice before. London Pride was available initially, then due to shortages of transport, became unavailable. It's recently become available again, but the barman told me just earlier that due to transport shortages again, won't be available after the end of this month, and they're bringing in the London Pride ESB, which stands for Extra Special Bitter. It's a little bit stronger in alcohol content, a little bit different taste. I have had it before in London, and definitely want to come down and try here at the Charles Dickens Tavern, 290 Collins Street in the Block Arcade. If you're walking past and you're not paying attention, you will miss this place. But once you find it, you'll always come back. Charles Dickens Tavern. Cheers. The Block Arcade here in Collins Street, 290 Collins Street. Charles Dickens Tavern. And there's the entry down the stairs. Very easy to miss from its location here at 290 Collins Street. After a lazy pint at the Charles Dickens Tavern, we're making our way back up Collins Street towards our hotel in Little Collins Street. Our hotel is up on the Paris end of Collins Street, the Paris end of Melbourne. So the Charles Dickens Tavern is in the next section down from the Paris end, which I don't know what you'd call it. Please drop a comment below if you know what the next level down from the Paris end would mean. Keen to find hall here in Swanston Street, decorated to the nines for Christmas. Looking down the road towards Flinders train station. As Louise did mention, yes, there is a light show that they do here at the Town Hall of an evening. We'll try and duck out tonight and have a look, see if it's on. Just like that, we're back to the Victoria Hotel here in Little Collins Street. as we make our way back into the building. Beautiful, fresh, real Christmas tree here in the foyer. Check-in counters. And up to Vic's Bar we go. In for a lazy drink during the happy hour here on a Sunday afternoon. Vic's Bar at Victoria Hotel. After enjoying a couple of happy hour cocktails at Vic's Bar, we decide to head off for a walk through the city. Past the iconic Flinders Street train station, past that big Christmas tree in the somewhat uninspiring Federation Square, and once again under the Princes Street Bridge, towards South Bank, en route to hopefully a good time at our ultimate destination for tonight, the Arbory Bar, for some late night hijinks. We hope you enjoy the show. At the Arbory Bar, I find a Guinness, I've got to split the G. How close should I go?
Oh, you got it perfect.
Yes!